A day in the life of a friendly monster morning. The sun peeks over the hills, and from beneath a cozy blanket of leaves, a large, furry monster with 3 eyes slowly opens up one of its eyelids. The morning light makes its purple fur shimmer. It stretches, yawns, and clumsily gets up, careful not to knock over the tree it's been napping near. The friendly monster always wakes up early to greet the day with a smile and a big stretch. It brushes its sharp but non-threatening teeth with a giant leaf, a perfect substitute for a toothbrush after a quick breakfast of crunchy, sweet berries. The monster grabs a satchel to head out for its morning walk. The air smells fresh, and the birds, who are also monsters, sing their usual song, "Who's hungry for adventure?" Mid-morning, the monster arrives at the nearby village of friendly humans. The little ones run toward it, excited to play, while the adults wave with a smile. Today, the monster is helping the children build a new playground. Its enormous, strong hands make it great for lifting and carrying large blocks of wood, but the monster's gentle touch ensures it doesn't break anything. Between tasks, the monster often plays peekaboo with the kids or blows bubbles from a homemade bubble wand, much to the delight of everyone. It's important to take a break and have fun. After all, lunch. The monster's lunch consists of a huge pile of leafy greens, carrots, and a big helping of honeycomb, which it picks straight from a tree. It sits in the middle of a field, surrounded by wildflowers, watching a group of rabbits hop by. The monster enjoys the peaceful moments of the day, thinking about how lucky it is to have so many friends in both the human and animal worlds. Afternoon. As the day warms up, the friendly monster takes a stroll through the woods to check on the animals. The squirrels invite it to play tag, though the monster isn't very fast, and the birds ask it to help build a nest for an expecting mother. Of course, the monster helps. Its long arms are perfect for reaching the highest branches. Occasionally, it spots someone in need of assistance, like an elderly turtle trying to cross a stream. The monster's caring nature kicks in.